The reward system is very sensitive and much more active during adolescence than at any other time in life. And again, the braking system, known as the GABAergic system, is not very functional. In addition, the adolescent brain has less dopamine than an adult brain. All of this means that in order to seek the pleasure provided by the release of dopamine through the reward system, adolescents must find new behaviors that are riskier and more extreme than those of adults. They tire more quickly of repetitive and habitual behaviors. All these factors make the adolescent brain much more sensitive than the adult brain to screens, which are specifically designed to activate the reward system without fatigue, but also to alcohol, cigarettes, cannabis, other drugs, and sex. And we know that it is the activation of the reward system that is responsible for addiction. In a sense, risk-taking is beneficial because it pushes adolescents to explore other things and other ways of doing things than what is done in the family. But sometimes it goes wrong and can cause problems. Fifth, the adolescent brain has a delay in sleep rhythms. It produces melatonin, the hormone that prepares the brain for sleep, later than children or adults. This leads to a later bedtime, around 10 to 11 p.m., which is normal for adolescents. In addition, rapid growth consumes a lot of energy and requires more sleep during adolescence. Ideally, teenagers should go to bed a little later and sleep longer in the morning. But with the school system, which starts at 7:30 or 8 a.m., this is exactly the opposite of what teenagers need. When we know that a lack of sleep causes difficulties with concentration and memory, and that almost all teenagers are sleep-deprived, we have to question our education system. All these factors make adolescence a tumultuous period, marked by major physical, psychological, and social changes. This creates a window of vulnerability to certain diseases or health issues, but also a window of opportunity where teens can resolve many of the problems of their childhood and start a new life.